Hello and welcome to another video. Today I will review the brother DCP-L2550 printer, scanner and copier. It's a good quality printer at a good price. You can get it from Amazon for around $120 US, which is not that expensive. You'll find the link in the description below. Now let's get the printer out and install the toner. The black toner is very easy to install. Just remove the wrapping carefully and insert it. When it's time to change it, you can get another one for around $42, which is not bad. This toner will last you up to 1200 pages. You can also purchase the high yield one, model TN760, for around $76, and that one will last up to 3000 pages. Now let's put some papers in, install the drivers and test the printer. It's a bit loud, but it does the job. Good print quality. Let's try the photocopier. Oh boy, the printer is going to war. Tanks are rolling. It's a good copy though. If you don't care about a little bit of noise, you can't beat this printer in cost saving and quality. Last thing I will do is scanning. We'll scan a document here. And let's check the screen. Okay, works very well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.